Yeah. Okay, come on.
Busted Buffers is brought to you by...
We know Dunkin' Donuts are always fresh and come in more varieties than supermarkets.
Excuse me.
But we like to make sure.
Do you have delicious chocolate frosted donuts like Dunkin' Donuts?
No.
Do you have 5 kinds of jelly donuts?
No.
Were these made fresh this morning?
No.
Good. Dunkin' Donuts. Up to 52 varieties made fresh day and night. No supermarket can say that.
No, I don't.
Bust my buffers. Bust my buffers.
Busted Buffers is brought to you by...
We know Dunkin' Donuts are always fresh and come in more varieties than supermarkets.
Excuse me.
But we like to make sure.
Do you have delicious chocolate frosted donuts like Dunkin' Donuts?
No.
Do you have 5 kinds of jelly donuts?
No.
Were these made fresh this morning?
No.
Good. Dunkin' Donuts. Up to 52 varieties made fresh day and night. No supermarket can say that.
Bust my buffers. Bust my buffers. Bust my buffers. My buffers. Bust.
Oh, we're recording now? Can we give a reason why we were gone?
There is no reason we were gone. We just stopped. You see,
Yeah.
Brendan, Caleb, and I got in a huge, gigantic fight. I went over to Caleb's house, and Brendan came over, and he called me out, and so I stabbed him 3 times in the chest. As you can imagine, that made him rather cross. So we stopped talking for a while, and then I started selling drugs, and then Caleb stopped uploading videos.
And so I took his original Hornby Thomas model, and now it's repainted.
But really, guys, you guys have heard 3, 2, 1, go.
It was a busy,
That's a lovely set.
That's a nice
We haven't heard 3, 2, 1. Like, for us, we haven't heard 3, 2, 1 go in a long time. It's like 5 minutes ago we just did it. Well,
that is nice.
Long.
Oh, angle. Hello.
shifting freight cars in the yard, but his cars were old.
I was not expecting that face.
Thomas, like, what's wrong with your face, Thomas?
Look,
That's a nice color, James. Pity about your face, though.
gave me
I slowly see James's eyes move up.
much nicer than yours.
They were like, ah.
There, Mon.
Shut up, my face is
not
cute.
fair.
Thomas.
Cars too.
I want new
The next
trucks.
morning,
I want new friends.
surprise for Thomas. Thomas,
I
Why were you
love
on
that
the
Thomas is like, I want new
Heavy
trucks,
load.
and then James is like, I want a new kidney stone.
Just
We all want things.
I love how new trucks are like a gift. It's like, yeah, troublesome trucks, this is my gift to you. Like, I'd run away from that.
Thomas collected his new freight car.
You know, I was about to say Bachman's new truck, the green one that has the CG face. I can't remember their
Thomas
actual
arrived
green
at
trucks,
the
but
docks.
there they are.
There was James. He was showing
They're
his
also in the
new freight
CG
cars to
series.
Bill and
Bill and Ben, they're like,
Why are Bill and Ben cars too, Puff Thomas?
fan
They're
surfing.
even nicer than James's, Puff Bill and Ben.
Hey, Caleb.
Your
Yeah?
freight car
Episode
And
3
also-
Black reference. Yeah, Bill and Ben are actually in the season of Ed. Like, they were also in that Bold and Brave episode or whatever.
Bold and brash.
seen his freight car on the
Everyone belongs in the trash.
PNP.
Like James.
Yeah.
Wait, Thomas's trucks don't have faces, though. James's do. No, they do.
They have trucks that close.
No, Thomas's trucks have faces, too. I don't remember
I've got my stone already, boasted James.
They're still staying. They're still staying. Said
I
James.
deliberately got the Michael Brandon so we wouldn't have to hear Michelangelo shout to the heavens.
In his cry for repentance.
Those trucks have moving
Don't the
eyes.
troublesome trucks have, yeah, the troublesome trucks have moving eyes, like, after season 9.
Puff Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a level set.
Wait, Sun Valley?
Edward.
Caleb, is this Sun Valley? Yeah, it's Sun Valley. Like they totally like changed the position of like the bushes.
There used to be flowers there.
Yeah.
Back when Mama was here. Rock voices.
Under the coal. But the freight cars chuckled. Then they rolled.
You know, Brandon, I needed that.
The narrator does the like the truck voices, right?
Yeah.
Like that like effect of like the coal like flying away was really nice. Like I like that like smoky effect.
Imagine like watching this with your kids and like you're I was the trucks.
There was James.
Hi, James.
I always imagine Michael Brandon, like, you know, he'd go home to his family and his kids would be like 7 or something, and they'd be amazed. But he did it for so long, like his kids are going to college, he's like, still doing Thomas.
If I use my
How long did Michael Brandon do it? Series 8 to
my
Series
new freight
16?
cars will still look clean and new.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, Series
Are these
7.
trucks that
Emily.
are these the trucks that explode?
Back up to collect this old
Yeah,
truck.
that yellow
Wait, no, he did Series 6 too, didn't he?
No,
Painters.
Baldwin did Season 6.
Yo,
Oh,
stopping it.
right.
Or
He didn't have to.
Oh, here comes my favorite crash of all time.
Wait, squish it in there, so it's apart. Yeah.
Hello, Thomas.
I want to know what's that out.
Michael Brandon was in it for 12 years.
Then there was trouble.
No, but this is actually my favorite crash.
Rusty cousin rolled. Thomas's trucks were rolling by themselves. Cinders and ashes, cried
Do
Thomas.
not slow down, Thomas. Doesn't he like completely stop?
Yep.
Thomas applied his brakes. But
Why would you do that?
too quickly.
Boom!
Back of Thomas. And the coal spilled all over
You
the
literally saw a piece of like truck flying somewhere.
stuff.
I call it weathering.
Sir Topham had arrived on Harvey.
What is with Harvey?
Thomas, these trucks are too old for pulling coal.
I don't know.
No, he has Diesel 10's claw.
And now
Wait, does he?
cause confusion and delay.
Just look at him.
Sorry.
Hold on, well, you know, there's sad Thomas, but...
Harvey
What? He got an upgrade. Maybe they pulled a Tobias and a half Pariah and Harvey's really Diesel 10.
I would not put it past you.
It is smart.
Yeah, what was that like? Oh my God!
It's Diesel 10. Wow, that truck has the freaking downs.
They all have the downs.
No, that truck legitimately had a tropical disease. Did you see it?
Oh, that's a nice angle.
Suddenly, the trucks weren't being troublesome.
Yeah, because they don't want to freaking explode.
Yeah, exactly.
Thomas is like, watch out or I'll destroy you. You are supposed to fucking stop. What if Thomas just whispered to them, you are disposable?
Right as he exploded.
Do you think we need you?
We're trying to keep your new freight cars clean. That's okay.
You aren't Mama.
Thomas, that's okay.
Did anyone see like the coal like inside like the truck's mouth?
Look, it's your freight cars, boasted James. Mine.
Oh my God, that one is
That truck looks anally devastated.
The trucks didn't want to be clean anymore.
It has the downs and look, it's a truck.
Just then, Frank's cable snapped.
Oh,
Frankie just dropped with mine. He knows what he did.
He was smiling.
He knows what he did.
Wait, what just crossed on James?
James.
Eggs.
Why did he have a crate of
like to be
eggs?
useful rather than clean.
Who knows?
That's
guys,
stupid.
Maybe they
he was smiling.
Look at
Maybe
James.
Frank-
I feel violated.
Maybe Frankie laid eggs and they were like his gifts for like the
They were, wait, it was a gift to the truck.
From me to you.
Just dropped it on James.
I am your special.
Hey Thomas, here's that special you've been looking for.
Carry on my
It's like pops up like slithers down like Cranky's side. Really?
What's so special? It's the gift of birth.
The gift of life.
The gift of life.
Hey,
Powdered egg.
Those eggs were meant for Mama.
She's not here anymore. I don't know what to do with them. Here, James, you're a train with a fancy station.
Well, that was fun. See you guys next time.
Except not.
fun fact. Hayne Wheels version of the diecast are the same as Heroes, Connor Spencer's, Patrick Heroes, Ian Gordon's, and Murdoch's. So yeah. Nah, I actually didn't do that. That was